everyone, it's nice to see ya. Welcome back to another video. Today I am doing a very last minute trick-or-treat bag, which is also just going to end up being kind of an easy tote bag. But today is October 30th and I don't have a trick-or-treat bag for my daughter. So we're going to make this one real quick, and all you need is 2 pieces of fabric, 3 technically. Pour a glass of wine and join me, my friends. Hi, I'm Nikita and welcome to my channel where this is what I do. I drink and I sew things. To start things off, this is an Estate Pinot Noir 2021 from Durant Vineyard. Fantastic wine. It is an olive oil and winery. They have both. And they have this great gift shop where you can go buy like a bunch of salts and stuff to go with your olive oils after you tasted them all. And it has a nursery in it. So like, how can you go wrong? I bought olive oil, salt, a plant, and a couple bottles of wine while I was there. And it's absolutely fantastic. Okay, you're gonna need 2 pieces of fabric. I'm using flannel fabric because it's a little thicker and sturdier than that cotton stuff. We are going to need to only cut 1 piece of it. And it's going to be 36 inches long by 14 inches wide. You're gonna need a second piece. Now this one is 7 inches wide. This is 7 inches wide. I'm gonna cut it in half. So I have 2 3.5 inch little pieces of fabric. And they're going to be somewhere between 18 and 24 inches long. I made one that was 24 inches. My daughter's only 3.5, so it's a little bit too long. So I'm going to make this 20 inches. Okay, so 3 cuts, 14 inches by 36 inches, and about 8 inches by 18 to 24 inches. Let's go. To start, we're gonna take our big piece of fabric and we're gonna put it right sides together. Straighten it out. If it doesn't line up perfectly, that's okay, because we're gonna sew here, here, and we're gonna end up hemming it. So if it's not perfect, that's all right. That's what we're about here. These 2 are gonna be my straps, so I'm gonna set those aside. I'm gonna start by sewing a straight line from this folded edge here all the way to the top, and from this side to this side. And I'm gonna use about a 1/2 inch seam allowance. You should maybe pin this, but I'm not, because flannel sticks together quite a bit and I am being fast and lazy today. Fast and loose, baby, fast and loose. Back stitch. Here we go. At the end, back stitch again, forward stitch, cut your threads, and now do the same to the other side. We're not going to turn it right side out yet. We are going to leave it like this for a hot second while I take a drink of wine, and then we're going to sew our straps. You guys, there are ways to make this look much nicer. Pressing your fabric first, using pins, lining them up, all that good stuff. But I don't feel like doing that today. So if you have a problem with it, then I don't know, I guess go find another video. Okay, we're gonna make our straps. Lay the strap face down, okay? We are going to fold it in like this so that it is on the halfway line. Okay, then we're gonna fold the other side in so it's about on the halfway line. This ain't looking perfect, but that's okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna take that, right, I've got this little thing, I'm gonna fold it over again. Okay, and now here is my strap. I'm gonna top stitch right here. I'm gonna use like a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and I'm gonna go on the open edge. And as I go, I'm gonna fix it. But what would make this easier is actually to pin it all the way down. You don't need to worry too much about these ends looking nice, because we are going to hide this in our bag. We just want to make sure that that little top stitch looks nice. Woohoo! Now do the same for the other one. Hot Mess Express. Wrappies are done. Where the hell are my pins? For this next part, I am actually gonna use pins because it's like impossible to do without. Bag still inside out. We're gonna take it and just fold it down a little bit. I don't know, what is this? 3/4 of an inch-ish? And you're gonna fold it down one more time. One more time. About the same amount. And then we're gonna go and make it a little even. And then I am gonna pin this a few times. Okay, this part is important, which is why I've brought you closer. Come closer, my children. I'm going to take this strap, gonna line up the raw edges, or the ugly edges. And I'm going to put them about 4 inches apart-ish. 3 inches on from inside to inside. Okay, I'm gonna line them up right here on the edge with this like hem thing. And I'm gonna pin each side here. Try to make sure it's in the middle-ish, you know? I know we're hot messes, but we can at least look a little nice. I'm gonna take this strap. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. It's easy to line it up because the strap is on the exact other side. Because even if it's not centered, at least it's gonna be lined up. Ta-da! Now we're gonna take this, keeping it still inside out, and we are going to sew about 1/4 inch away from this bottom edge here all the way around. I'm gonna show you an easier way to do that on your sewing machine. Now this swivels out. My suggestion is pop the whole dang thing off. We can slide this on here like so. I'm gonna line that up with the edge of my presser foot on this edge. And then I'm going to just sew all the way around. And I'm gonna start where one of the straps is. Take your pins out as you go. We're back to the beginning, so we're going to back stitch. You're almost done, you're so close, I promise. So you're gonna put your fingers inside the bag like this. You're gonna turn it right side out. All right, use the fingers. Your fingers, use your fingers. To kind of roll out those corners. You can get a pencil in there. I would use the eraser end. Poke them so they look nice and sharp. And then the only other thing that I'm gonna do, you can, ooh, that's a little ugly. You can top stitch just right here in front of the straps, because see how they're doing this? I want them to be up here, a little more sturdy for all of the pounds and pounds of candy my adorable toddler's gonna get. So you can top stitch right here, or you could top stitch all the way around to make it like look nice, but we're in the hot mess mode right now. So I'm just gonna top stitch on each one of these. And last one, we're done. I just realized that my heat pump has been running in this room this whole time, so I'm so sorry about that noise. But look at that, we are done. Trick or treat bag, easy peasy, beautiful. All right, there we go. The product of our work. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, yes, 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 yes. Pat yourself on the back. You did a great job. I'm so proud of you. Well, thank you for joining me on this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Our quick little tote bag, Halloween treat bag, sewing extravaganza. And I hope that you stick around. So hit the like and subscribe button and all that jazz. You know what to do. And come drink along and sew along with me on my next video. Thanks for watching. That was really not, I need to get better about being cool. Yeah, what if I had my doggy? Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.